Okay, we got the Banana Pro assembled, but in order to get it to operate, you have to pick an operating system to put on the microSD card. And so in order to get the operating system, you need to go to the LeeMaker website. That's www.leemaker.org. And this is a home page of that website. To get to the available operating systems, you need to go to Downloads and then select the board, which in this case is Banana Pro. And you get this list. There's actually 9 operating systems that are pre-compiled to run on the Banana Pro. And you can't just use the Raspbian version or Raspberry Pi version of the operating systems because they use different processors. So you need to go and pick the appropriate operating system for Banana Pro. I have several Raspberry Pis, so I'm going to start out with a disk image for the operating system, Raspbian for Banana Pro. It's specially compiled to run on the processor that's on this board. So in order to download it, you hit download. It brings you to this page, and you got to do another download, which brings you to this page. And again, you have to hit another download, and you get this page, which is it's a virus checker that Google runs. It says it can't check it for viruses, but we're going to go ahead and download it for anyway. And I'm on a Windows operating system with Internet Explorer, so you'll get a pop-up like this if that's where you are. What I like to do is I like to save it in a specific location I choose rather than the default location. So I do save as, and you get this pop-up. And I've already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it again. I'm going to cancel this out. But you'll download a zip file of the operating system image, and it's a 7-zip. So you're going to have to unzip it, and after you unzip it, you'll have the image file. So we're going to go ahead and just cancel out of that. Okay, now we have to copy the image file that's now on our desktop to a microSD card that we can put in the Banana Pro. So there's a program I like to use. It's called Win32 Disk Imager, and so you can find that on SourceForge. You can Google the name Win32 Disk Imager, and you'll see the location. It's a free program, and it's pretty slick. Now, I should warn you, before you launch this program, you need to put the microSD card into your desktop computer. If you launch this program and then insert the card, this program will not detect the card. So you need to first put the microSD card in and then launch this program. And it detected it. It happens to be drive G, so we know where our destination is. Now we have to find the disk image that we're going to copy to the microSD card. And the way that you do that, you can browse for it by hitting this button here. Brings up the Explorer and File Explorer. Then I've saved this, as you remember, on the file Banana Pro. Since I've already expanded the unzipped the zip file, we already have the image here. I'm going to select that and hit open. Now when you do that, if you have a web page open like I do, it's actually hidden behind this page, so we're going to bring it to the front. Okay, so we got the source file. We have the destination device here, and you have a write button here. You just click that right button, and it'll write the image correctly to the microSD card. It'll take probably, depending on the speed of the microSD card, it'll take about 10 or 15 minutes to copy it. I'm not going to go ahead and do that here. But that's the process of creating the disk image, and you can do that with any of the other, all 9 of the operating systems. And what I'm planning to do is create a separate card for each operating system, and we're going to test each operating system and see how well it comes up the first boot. And that will be our next video, the first boot of Raspbian for Banana Pro. And I'm going to show you how to get the Wi-Fi working, since it doesn't work straight out of the box. Thanks a lot.